Hi, Mark and Renee, we're back. We're now in the front of PetSmart because we got kicked out. Because they don't allow videotaping in there. And, I mean, I can tell you why. Because I saw a video one time where these guys were in a forklift in the back that worked there and spinning around on the forklift. I'm sure shortly after that they had the policy, no videos allowed. But anyway, what I was doing in there, though, was doing a lot of the making her go down. She was very distracted in there. So I'm doing a lot of reinforcing the down and keeping my foot on it. She sees that dog over there. She thinks it's Minnie. I don't think they can't kick us out for being out in the front. Sounds like Minnie, doesn't it? Anyway, what I was doing there was I was doing my nick on the turn, heel. Instead of my pager, and I've got it set on 90. Good. Good, heel. Down. Taking a proactive approach. Good girl. Heel. Oh, she's a little living doll, this one. Doesn't like to go, huh? Yeah, I got one like that too. Good. Heel. Good. Down. Wonderful. Using a lot more nick right there. I'm now to the point now I can use the nick to drive her down if I need to. I mean, I'm still working on that, but we need to be able to do that. Good. Start my pager slightly before. Scarlett, heel. Good. You know the deal. I got my pager right there on that turn, but I'm ready if I need to add my nick. Heel. Is her really looking from here to here. I don't want her looking at this hand, really. We will do a turn towards with her. We will start bringing this, nope, down. We will start bringing that, good. Bringing that hand into play, good. Good. Oh, she likes to sniff the bushes. Oh, she was getting a lot of compliments in there, too. Right before they kicked us out. Nope. Scarlett, heel. Good. heel. Stopped to sniff right there. I went pop, pop with the neck and kept moving. Good. Down. All right, guys, we'll